welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do an updated hair routine. It's been a long time since I did a hair tutorial, so let's get to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair with my Just Nutritive Daily Spray Detangler. This restores moisture, lubricates, giving hair softness, detangling, and conditioning. It also helps stop shedding, minimizes dryness, and protects from daily heat, styling damage. I wonder if this would help my cats with the shedding, of course. Spray it all over and then brush through my hair. The brush I'm using is from Conair and I got it from Walmart. All right, so for some extra conditioning, I'm gonna put this in. This is the Unwind by Hask Red Wine Inspired. It's a 10-in-1 leave-in spray. And I'm just gonna put a few sprays in my hand and then rub it through my hair. Next up, I'm using this Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. The cure for flat hair. It adds spring and height without dulling color. So this is for volume. I got this complimentary from Octoly, and when I seen this, I jumped on it because I love the Color Wow brand, but I love volume in my hair. So I've been using this product for about a month now. I really like it. It adds volume to my hair, and you can use it on wet or dry hair, which I really love. I've used it both ways. I use it on freshly wet hair, and then sometimes if I just need an extra boost of volume, I will spray it at the roots on dry hair, and it doesn't leave it sticky or anything, and it gives it just the right amount of oomph. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair, but I'm not going to bore you with a blow dry sesh. If you've ever watched my hair tutorials and I blow dry my hair, you would know that I flip my head upside down. That helps with volume. And I also blow dry at the roots. I blow dry it this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, every direction, because I want as much volume as I can get. So I have thin hair, but it is long. It's fine though. But yeah. So that's what I do for some extra volume. So as you can see, I have some volume. I look like I should be in an 80s rock music video. But anyway, so now I'm going to curl my hair. I'm going to use my SRI Salon Perfect Curl. Please excuse my birds, they are loud. But anyway, so this is a clampless iron. I did a review on this a while back, and I have not put this thing down since. I'm obsessed with this curling iron. I think it's amazing. Yeah, it's awesome. So let's get to curling, girls. So yeah, I just plugged it in. I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm not gonna put any extensions in today because not everybody has extensions or needs extensions. So I want this video to be relatable, okay? Okay, so I just finished curling, and I could obviously just leave my hair like this, but I'm not that kind of girl. shake out my curls. I like to get them a little messy, a little crazy, because I'm a little crazy. And then, of course, I gotta tease my hair, because that's just what to do. That's what I do, that's what I do, that's what I do. Alright, tease the back. Gonna give the sides a little tease. Shake through that tease just to loosen it up a little bit. Comb it down with my fingers. Worst part about doing my hair sometimes is figuring out where I want my part. But, I guess that's fine. Oop, these roots need done, y'all. Okay, so here's my hair after. Maybe a little view of the back, even though I have no clue what it looks like. Hopefully it looks okay. So yeah, that is the end of this hair tutorial or hair routine. I use the SRI Salon Perfect Curl to curl my hair. The Color Wow Raise the Root, amazing. This I also got from Walmart, the Unwind by Hask, and this is the Just Nutritive Detangler. I'll put the link for this down below. It's not sold in stores, it's only sold on their website, and they have some amazing hair and skincare products, so check them out. Plus, there's probably a coupon for this month, so don't miss out on it because their coupons don't last forever. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments down below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!